Brand new here at 6, the attorney for the man accused of starting the Lockman fire, which would later turn into the devastating Palisades fire, wants the case dropped. And that's all because of new testimony given by an LAFD firefighter. CBS LA assignment editor Mike Rogers at the desk now. Mike, you spoke with Jonathan Rinderknecht's attorney on the phone today. So what's he telling you?
He's telling me that he has asked federal prosecutors to dismiss the case against his client. And it comes after those revelations made by the LAFD firefighter in a deposition in a civil case. That's Jonathan Rinderknecht. Remember, Jonathan Rinderknecht is accused of starting the Lockman fire. That is the firefighter who gave deposition that said the Lockman fire was not a holdover. I'm sorry, the Palisades fire was not a holdover fire of the Lockman fire, but instead was not properly extinguished. You'll remember in the civil case, which we have been telling you about, that firefighter said that he saw signs of fire and ash still smoldering at the Lockman fire days before the Palisades fire would start. Now, the defense attorney for Jonathan Rinderknecht told me on the phone today he has sent a letter and an email to federal prosecutors saying, look, you didn't have that information when you filed the charges against my client, but now that you do, you should drop the case. I moments ago had a chance to speak with a former federal prosecutor about the difficulties this convoluted case now brings to the federal government.
What the defense will argue is that you have a defendant who on New Year's Eve dropped off Uber passengers and started a fire. But that fire wasn't properly put out. So now you have firefighters that bear the responsibility. It really breaks the chain of causation because any negligence was on them. I think what the U.S. Attorney's Office and the government will argue as well, if you start an arson, you can't rely on firefighters to necessarily put it out.
Yeah, now the former federal prosecutor there, Nima Rahmani, tells me that likely this will not be something that the judge will handle. This will just get sorted out by the jury at a trial. I asked him if federal prosecutors should be nervous about this. He says they'll have to go make their case. But Pat, we're talking about this causation thing. The federal government has to be able to prove that Jonathan Rinderknecht started the Lockman fire and that everything that he did then led to the Palisades fire. Nima Rahmani there tells me that there is now enough of a defense here that the defense could really lean on that and create some reasonable doubt with the jury.
All right, we will see. Thanks for that update, Mike.